guys, I'm back, and I didn't show you this last time. When I started this, I gotta get a new camera. When I started this wood, I built this contraption, and I led all the way to that tree, fake tree over there, right there, and had a secret fortress. But all my friends had TNT and destroyed it. Yeah, there's a creeper near my house. Oh yeah, I feed him the last time. Found some bones, and okay, I'm gonna see if I can make it all the way to there. But I can't probably do that. Oh! Ow, that hurt. But in this episode, we're gonna go mining again. Oh my gosh! There are creepers all over the place. Or I don't know. I want to get some food though. Steak. You know, I may want to build a farm. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna build a farm. Let's build a farm right here. Do I have a hoe? No, I do not have a hoe. I need a hoe. I want to kill this creeper so it can't destroy anything. Too late for that. Okay. That was, not necessary. But I forgot how I built this. I really did. I honestly forgot how I built this. Do I have any wood? I think I need some wood. I want to fix this before nighttime. I'll place that there. Or there. We'll grab some. I thought I had some wood. Oh my gosh, I don't have wood. How am I going to survive without wood? No! Yeah, it's okay. I need my axe. Alright. Let's go find some wood. Ah, there's already wood here. Sweet. Yeah, so let me craft some wood. Sorry if the screen's too bright. I wonder if it does any better. I guess it does a little better. Alright. Ava!
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes.
What do you need?
I'm
Thirsty. Alright, I'll be there in a minute, okay?
Okay. Listen right here.
Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I have a little sister, but, I shall be right back. sorry about that, guys. Videos before your little sister, right? Yeah. Oh, why do I keep on going in here? Woohoo! Ow! You know, if I keep on doing that, I'm gonna kill myself. Alright. Oh, it's nighttime. Sorry about that, guys. What shall we do? What is that? You're done? Okay. Yeah, I see you, Windman. I see you. I got 10 bones. Hope that's enough to